Part of the onboarding process at your company may involve gathering information and processing requests from new employees. For example, imagine you wanted to help new employees find a mentor, a process that may need approval from HR. You can use SharePoint to turn this process into a workflow. We'll start by creating a basic form for capturing the requests. A custom list is a great way to do this. All you need to do is give your list a name and click Create. Custom lists let you add whatever columns you need to collect information from new employees. Let's see how this works by creating a column, the building block of our request. Click Create Column, type in a column name, and then choose the kind of information you want to capture from the user. You'll notice that there are a lot of different options to choose from depending on what you need. For our purposes, let's pick a drop-down menu and fill it in with a set of options for new employees to choose from. You can even change the display to radio buttons or checkboxes. As you create your columns, you can fill them in with all kinds of useful information, like names, dates, and numbers. After you finish creating your columns, just click New Item to see how a request form looks. It's really that easy. Now new employees just have to fill out the form and click Save. Okay, so now people can submit their request, but how can we make sure that we get notified when it's submitted and then process it on time? One way to do it is to simply build a workflow that gets triggered when a new employee submits a request. We don't have to build the workflow from scratch, we can choose one from the many built-in workflows. So let's create a new approval workflow and pick the right start option so that our workflow starts automatically when a new request is submitted. Next, you can assign people to the approval process and give them a time frame for completing the process. That's it! Your workflow is ready to go. So now when new employees submit a request, the HR team will be notified. There's a lot to do on your first day, so let's make this process even easier for new employees. We'll use the Links app to create a direct link to the request form. Type the name you want to use and copy the URL to the form. Now we can put that link on the home page. Let's click Request a Mentor and fill out a request to show a sample workflow in action. When you save a request, the workflow associated with the custom list is automatically triggered and then HR is notified. Let's fast forward a bit and see what the page can look like after a few more tweaks. Now you have a single place where new employees can go to get useful information.